My favorite part of our new home is definitely the open floor plan. Being able to see the TV when I'm cooking, it's definitely something that I look forward to every day. My name is Elizabeth Ochoa and I'm from Nichols Creek Community. Some of the things that I noticed that Tabor was offering versus other home builders was definitely the square footage was a lot more with the price, and it matched perfectly for us. The quartz countertops, that was something that was going to be charged extra from another builder, and with Tabor it was just included automatically with the Red Series. Homes by Tabor was very honest from the jump about their pricing, and they never once changed it. Our sales manager was definitely, like I said, she was up to date on everything. I definitely did notice, like, between her and the other sales managers that I was looking at, with different home contractors, she replied fast every time. She definitely kept me up to date, and the other sales reps that I was talking to, they were just not as enthusiastic as her, and they were definitely not as professional as her either. Yes, I would definitely recommend Homes by Tabor to everyone that I know.